Hold on, you gotta introduce my hair. Hello. My hair, by the way, since it's, got colory stuff in it, I did it myself at home with blue and red hair mascara washables. So, yeah.
By what company?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Well, he got it at Walgreens. How much? $5.99 on special, yeah?
Mm.
Okay, I ain't you special. Okay, what we're gonna do?
Open the trunk! I mean, lid thing.
You gotta go inside. I'll show you here. Come here. Are you gonna get on my last nerve yet?
Yep.
See where that says hood down there? Now you should be right here, shouldn't you?
Where?
Okay,
Whoa.
that's first step. Now, you gotta go to the hood. Hold on, no, slow down.
Hurry up.
Feels like the engine's kind of warm. Anyway, there's a latch right here. See it?
Yeah.
Need to lift up on this. Okay, let her go, let her go, let her go, let her go. Yes, I know. Get the lasher fluid. Bone dry. Get the bottle.
You mean gas jug?
Can you gauge this?
Can I do what?
Can you do this without slobbing it?
Probably.
Can you hit the hole is what I'm saying.
I don't know.
Well,
I'm being as careful as I can.
once you hit the hole, just let the whole jug go in because it's dry. Keep it going. Watch what you're doing.
You're making me laugh.
Would you like me to do it?
No.
Okay, well. That should about do it. Right there, good. Okay. So, how was your first windshield washer pour? Easy piece of cake, huh? Okay, so that's how now you got closed cap.
Hey, let me get it. Let me get it.
Yeah, sweet, just like that. All right, pour F-150. Ah, yeah. And yeah, watch for fingers and heads and stuff like that when you close a hood, okay? Seriously. That could be damaging. Where'd the cap go?
Now let's test it.
Go wash your hands.
Let's test it.
Go wash your hands.
Test it first.
Oh, you are a mechanic.
Let's test it first.
I don't think it'll come on without keying.
Let's test it first.
Turn the key forward. All right, let it go, let it go, let it go. Well, as soon as you hear the thing kick in, back off, okay?
Now what? Push the button.
Go ahead. Sophia, okay, stop. Yeah, it's working. I'm out here getting... Oh, yeah.